Hey, it's Patty, and today we're going to be talking about aloe vera. Aloe vera is a drought-resistant succulent plant that grows in dry climates. Pure aloe vera gel is an all-natural ingredient extracted directly from the aloe vera leaves. It's been cultivated and used for first aid and skincare since ancient times, and today we use the aloe vera plant for basic first aid purposes and DIY natural skincare routines. I know my grandmother had it in her home when I was growing up, and now I have it in my own home, and it has so many different benefits. It's no wonder it's referred to by some as the miracle plant. The number one benefit for aloe vera that you've all probably heard of is for the treatment of sunburn. I know I use it after a day at the beach, even if I lather myself with sunblock every 30 minutes. The cooling sensation feels great, and it helps my skin heal so much more faster. The 99% water content in aloe vera gel may be why it provides such a cool, soothing, and hydrating sensation as well. And not only that, it's moisturizing without being oily. Another way you can use aloe vera that you might not have heard of is for your hair. You can apply it directly to your scalp if you have itchiness due to issues like psoriasis or eczema. A dry, flaky scalp can also be a sign that your hair has been stripped of its natural acidity, which means your pH levels are too high. Aloe vera is considered a low pH level product with more acidity than neutral, so it may balance your pH levels, which in turn leaves you with better looking hair, and that's a win-win. As for body use, like I said earlier, it's my personal favorite when it comes to soothing sunburns. I'll share this super easy sunburn spray with you later. You can also use aloe vera gel as a shave gel. You know, we all get those uncomfortable razor bumps and nicks from time to time. Those all leave behind minor inflammations of the skin as our body tries to heal. Aloe vera has been shown to help with inflammation, which means it can reduce the discomfort after shaving. And because it's very cooling and moisturizing, you feel that instant soothing feeling, which is always refreshing.